Can you imagine what it would be like to be free of debt, extra money in your bank, and become financially savvy? What would it be like to retire early and have an investment portfolio that is actively paying you? Perhaps you already have a property portfolio of 1 to 3 properties and want to expand your business, but you feel you don't know what it takes to realize your goal. Savvy Women's Group have a tried and tested blueprint system for the intermediate looking to take their property business to the next step. Savvy Women Group was created with few things in mind: empowerment, smashing the glass ceiling, and excelling in property. We take your property business to new heights, optimizing your investment process so you get the most out of your profits. Over a 3-month period, on a schedule that suits your lifestyle, you will receive weekly/monthly consultation sessions with seasoned property expert Sapphire Gray. Offering a range of packages, with Savvy Copper, Bronze, Silver, Gold, Platinum, to our Premium Silk package, there is a pack for every stage of your journey. With our flexible and adaptable system, you will be guided and assisted through all investment decisions and questions you may have, with regular support, networking opportunities, and extensive resources for your development. During your mentorship, you will have full access to the Savvy Estates training events, completely free of charge, where you will expand your property investment knowledge. By the end, you'll be confident in making any hard decisions necessary to grow your business. If you are looking to expand your property business, begin your journey to a lucrative portfolio, and supersize your overall profits, SWG can help. Savvy Copper, get a Savvy Woman Advisor, everything you need to guide you in securing your first investment property within 6 weeks. Access our power team of brokers, accountants, and solicitor. Learn the step-by-step process to release any mental money blocks, enhance goal setting, learn how to build strategy, and receive a galore of resources to help you start investing. With Savvy Bronze, take advantage of our weekly one-on-one sit-downs to discuss your business plans, receive assistance with sourcing the right kind of properties, learn how to find ideal locations for your property investments, negotiation coaching. We'll also teach you multiple ways of finding good deals, landlords and tenants, and property. Savvy Silver, we commit to helping you build a portfolio of profitable investments in 12 months. Enjoy thorough, 2 hours, face-to-face monthly sessions with your Savvy advisor. Learn how to plan and map out your finances. We'll teach you how to calculate a profitable deal before purchase and a step-by-step plan on sealing the deal on a property and signing on the dotted line. With Savvy Gold, you'll receive all the tools to successfully manage a property, learn to market your property and then find and choose the right tenants, and how to refurbish a property to a high-end standard on a budget. Get your foot in the door with other landlords for alternative property deals. Savvy Platinum, an all-inclusive property investment pack, includes cost guide for all our suppliers and builders. Learn how to build a sizable pension fund, HMO, lease options, and land and block development coaching, direct access to our builders and contractors, customize your company brand with access to our business documents on brand personalization that comes free of charge. Savvy Silk provides you with marketing and photographic services to get your property on the market, property deal analysis so you know whether it will be a profitable ROI, business tools to scale your property business. We'll source 10 properties in high-yield areas, oversee the sale of your property, provide floor plans, procure EPCs. Visit Savvy Women Group now and choose a Savvy package perfectly tailored for you. Achieve the life you want. Join Savvy Women Group today. For women everywhere,